What's up, guys? Today I'm just going to make a normal video on just me grinding, not any tutorial, sorry. I might soon be able to make a end game player thing, even though I'm not an end game player. And I hope you guys have a good day, and I hope you guys watch through the whole video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. It would really be appreciative of me. Like, I would show major gratitude. And if we can get to 100 subscribers this year before 2022, I will try making one of the most recommended videos that we have on this channel to show my gratitude for 100 subscribers. And so, yeah, let's get on with the video. Murder the spider. Jump. And I got some tickets, and some gumdrops. If you haven't watched the gumdrop videos already, how to get gumdrops for mid-game and beginners, you should go watch that if you really are looking for the gummy bee. Cannot get a legendary sprout. Wait, and I'm going to show you this quick strategy. Okay, so you have to have the 25 area. So you get a field booster. Okay, so say it's cactus like it is. I go down here, start farming it, and look at my pollen going up and up. And if you get one of these bear tokens like I just did, look at my pollen. It is an insane tip that you should have a bear bee. Not saying you have to use your Robux, but try, if you have enough money, I would prefer getting a bear bee. So not only do they give you jump boost, like major jump boost, and a bit of speed, helping for getting around the place, they also help with things like this, because keep looking at my pollen go up and up and up. Especially if you're in this. Oh, that just went down. Like, it is easily insane to do things like this. Why isn't my thing not open? Okay, my recording thing is open. I just had some difficulties with video making, so I had to pause the video. And I honestly might pause it again until I get max. Yes, my videos have been getting a lot better with editing recently. Comment about your rating about the new editing. And my kitty Cloud is in here. I'm gonna go pet him real quick. And he purrs like super loud. He's a floofy gray cat, and I wish I could show you a picture of him. And so can we get a Cloud kitty in the chat? Like, that sounds like a stream thing, but like in the comments for this video, that would really like get my appreciation up. Because not at home, not much people really like to stop and pet Cloud when he's upstairs, since he barely goes upstairs. And I'm going to see you when I have full pollen. Okay, I have max pollen, and that was a lot quicker than you thought it was, I bet. Because that took me like not even a minute to get. So I didn't really have to pause the video, but I was just wanting to, since I don't know why. That I'm just that type of person. And now while we're waiting, let's see what I have right now. Some pretty good things. What are my quests? 2050 treats. That's going to be a bit of a problem on my side. Okay, and since we still have the cactus field booster, we can just go back up and instantly get some more. Oh, reset chat. And I recommend, do not, like, if you have not watched the gumdrops video already, if you're trying to get gumdrops, I know this is not the gumdrops video, one of those, but do not buy these unless you have like a million extra tickets. I'm gonna get me some of these mobs. And I have to pause the video real quick. Okay, I am back. I had some more major difficulties. There's just a bit of difficulties today since I got back from school, and that was a really hard day of school. No tests though, which is a good thing about it. And I'm not going to keep having to skip parts of the video. It's getting annoying, so I'm just gonna show you how fast it took me to get like all that pollen. So like I'll start counting when I get to 730, because that's around where it was. Panda bear. You almost have to start counting. If these annoying honey things don't get out of my way. I mean, they're useful in some situations, but sometimes they're annoying. Almost there. Keep looking at the pollen if you're going to count. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, I have to go right now. Okay, I am back. I have to fix my headphones. Sorry if you hear this bit of a glitch. Speedy. No! I almost made that. That would have been amazing. Why do I have music off? Yay. That really cheers up the vibes. Since I'm not talking that much. I'm petting my kitty. Please tell me if you can hear Mr. Kitty. I named him Cloud. And he is snuggly. Very snuggly. Because he will not stop snuggling me. And he purrs. He has purrs for days. So this video I'm trying to get done. I'm going to try get ready. That one. Also, you get some good loot. Okay, I do not know. I mean, like bees and stuff. I know what he's talking about, but overall, I'm a bit confused. If anybody's playing my server at the time and actually watches this video, please like and subscribe for the chances that would happen. And also, this is also another way to get gumdrops. You can get gumdrops out of this field. It's just a rare occasion, mostly. Oh, my game is running like 10 FPS, kind of. Like, not my character, but, like, my bees. Like, did you see that? That's pure lag. Like, ouch. That's a bit ouch. I'm getting closer to the Wi-Fi box. Boom. I did the Masters thing. And now my game is running slight faster. Please, I dare you to count how much times I messed up on a word in this video. Where I can try stopping and I need information about how much times I'm messing up on words because it's a bit annoying. Okay, I need to look at my quest while doing this, actually. Can I get a bear, please? Bear bee, where are you? Are you really fighting this stinky stump snail? Stump snail! I missed it. Oh, crap. So now would be a great time for a bear. Ooh, gumdrops. Thank you. And I'm also going to try getting this episode. How long have I been recording? 10 minutes! One of my longest Bee Swarms videos. I think I can make it longer than the first one. And, oh, oof. And honestly, if I can make this to about 30 minutes long, not saying I'm going to, I'm just going to, like, just make a video not knowing the time really. I'm not going to look at the time as much. And if it actually makes it to 30 minutes or around that, I will try doing something. It's going to be a surprise. And if you want me to keep doing it, just let me know. Oh, jeez! Did you see that bounce? Like, boing! No. Okay, thank you. Yum. This converts my pollen into honey. That is a quick tip. It does not just not only does it squeeze honey out of the leaves easier, it can also will make it where you can, like, it converts a big percent of your pollen into honey. Because as you see when I'm in the pollen, like the goo pollen, you see that I get more honey than I do pollen. If you look, like, rewatch through this video and look at it. Give me the glue dispenser where I can get infinite gumdrops. Come on, load. Do not step on this plate. You will be dead. Yes, I have nowhere near this. Yeah, no. Finally, I disconnect. Not saying I want to, but honestly, normally I would disconnect a lot faster. And I'm a bit surprised by that. I do not know how to fix it where I'm not just talking. Because, like, I can be, like, somebody could probably hear me from my room where I'm recording in. And they can probably hear me. That's why I'm trying to get soundproof padded walls. And I have stickers on my walls. And, like, I mainly mean the more thinner walls of my room. And, like, I love my room. It's small enough where it's not big, and it can perfectly fit all my stuff. And since it's going to take a long time to get to, like, a big amount, I'm going to set in the future a super big like goal for a room review. I'll have to, like, clean this up a bit since it's only a bit dirty. Like, one book in the floor. Boom, pick it up. Like, there's basically nothing left in the room. Bruh. I finally get to a good spot where do I have better Wi-Fi over by my cat? I don't know. Well, this isn't specifically going to be a Bee Swarm video, did I say? What if I want it to be a different game video? Like one of these games. Yeah, maybe we can play some Piggy or War Simulator. I suck at Piggy. I just play it. Let's see what there is to play. I mean, I'll suck at it a lot, but I could play some Arsenal. My friend really liked my Arsenal video. Yeah, so it's going to be a Bee Swarm and Arsenal, like, collab type thing. I'm going to do, like, 20 minutes on, so I'll be at, like, 24-minute video. And because I want to be sure that there's 10 minutes of, like, both games. That would only be fair, right? I didn't notice. I never knew that there was a server size of 16, but okay. And comment in the chat if you would like to know what game I should play next. Bruh. I want to see if I get copyright from that. I'm going to be mad since there's a reference a bit in that. Not from a game or a song, but like it's something I made, and it kind of has a reference to a game. And if I get copyright, I'm going to be a bit mad since I don't really want copyright. If that's copyright, I'm going to be a bit mad. Okay, I guess we're not playing that game. I'm literally sitting in the floor because it's closer to the Wi-Fi box in my bed. I'm not going to play Piggy. Nope, Piggy runs smooth. Let me join. Hidden ending. Oh, that finally came out. I bet everybody's going to be grinding, looking for it. Go to book 2. And I have like low graphics and high graphics at the same time sometimes. Like, I use super low graphics and my game runs amazing. Or I can crank up the graphics if wanted. Because like I use low graphics. Oh, apparently I was using high. Look, I'm going to turn it to low and watch how smooth my game was. Bruh. I didn't know that was a thing. Shut the door. Ha. I'm safe. I am not safe. I am a scaredy cat and I will be jump scared. Makes sense, my channel is. Oh yeah, I forgot about that thing in the vents. Wait, no, since when could you not open it? No X entrance. Piggy is the fastest running game for me and I can't even run that. That's when you know I'm saying I have bad Wi-Fi right now. Okay, so we're going to do the last 10 minutes of the video. Since 14 minutes, we are at 18 minutes now. I'm just going to leave. Okay, we're just going to keep playing different games and try playing them until we can find something. Oh, I really like that Noob Train game. Adopt Me. No, not really. Survival. Fighting and Battle. Simulator. Tycoon. Favorites. You Have Been Distracted. That's one of my favorite games. I've made my own games myself, but they don't have any likes, nor do they have anybody playing. Cook Burgers, I really love that game, but I only play it easily on computer, because if you don't know, I'm playing on mobile. If you haven't seen the controls ever, I think you should get some eyes. And if you don't know the time, currently, throughout the video, it's time for you to check. If you don't know the time in real life, it's time for you to get a watch. Okay, my broski. Yes, I call people broski in real life. And I say broski handkerchief. It's just for a joke. And my friends like that joke. So I just keep doing that joke. And please say my game does not crash. And if my game does crash, I will be very sad. And I do not want to be sad. Oh, yeah, it's 20 minutes only. I mean, it's sad that it's only 4 minutes left of the video, but I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Wait, I just pressed normal Piggy. What chapter are we playing on this? Chapter 1. How perfect. I literally just got in. Oh yeah, I remember the graveyards for Halloween. They have it in front of the house. What was that sound? Bonk. Piggy! Oh no. That's the Minecraft pig noise. That's what it sounds like. Oh no. My game crashed. Oh no, I got trapped in this house. Anyways. No, my game crashed. Like, you don't even care that you got trapped in a house by a murderous pig, but you care about your game crashing. That would be very cultured. So I will play. It's Carnival. Yes, the easy map. The easy map. And I'm still not good at it. Greek key. Do I need the Greek key? I'm just gonna. I don't like that music. That's like an alien. Those doors weren't opening. No, now I'm scared. And you lead him right to me. Oh, piggy heads. Say a key. Say a key. No. So I'm just gonna bonk. Nope. That didn't work. That did not work. Crouch. Ha. You suck. This is probably like the easiest chapter for me. Like, it's still hard though. This guy has the yellow key. Good. Purple key. Give me the purple key. Good. Where's the purple key needed again? Dun 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 dun. We still let Foxy out, don't we? We still have to let Foxy out. What key? Orange. No. It's the updated Foxy. I think that's the book 2 Foxy. Hey. Oh, yeah, I have to collect other notes. Was this a collectible note? Is that a collectible? No, that's not a collectible note. That would have been easier to know if that was a collectible note. Oh, no. I am in grave danger. Get it? Because it's kind of still near Halloween and grave danger. I'm dead. I think I am officially dead. I don't know why I just want to close the door. Where is the gun? What you doing over there? Mr. Clamp. Okay. Use that small little brain of yours. Oh, you're chasing that guy. I'm in grave danger. I'm just that guy. Deal with it. Water gun. Oh. Wait, purple key. I'm using the purple key. Gun! I have a gun. And I need to find ammo for it. Or does it have ammo? No! Oh no. Where is ammo? I remember ammo being in here. Yes. You question the Lord of the mighty kitty? Deal with it. Hey. Shut the Piggy. Oh, I'm just gonna let this last video end. Orange key. I'm so cool. I'm actually doing things. So I'm just going to let this game end, or maybe if we win, because Mr. Fox. No. Get the white key. Get the white key. Get the white key. Get the white key. What do I feel like it's just me now? Dang it! Why does everybody suck in this? Nobody has anything. No. Just keep swimming. The person got the code. What do we do again? Are we being chased right now? Probably. Do I honestly care that much? Not that much. This is a collectible note, at least. I want to find the notes. I feel like that's a note, but I feel like that's not a note. Where are the notes? Yes, we just need the hammer. Where's the toy hammer? Where's the toy hammer? Isn't it in this safe over here? Yeah, I bet it's gonna be in that safe. Where is the yellow key? Oh no. I have ammo. I don't think that's supposed to be something you're supposed to collect like that. Okay, though. I'm gonna click this. Give me the blue key. Yes, I want the blue key. Thank you. I respect me getting that. Thank you. Grr. Yes, I know we're not going to win, but oh no. Stop chasing me. Nobody likes you. I said, stop chasing me. Nobody likes you. Yeah, we need to go this way, dum-dum. Chase that guy. Thank you. Did both of them really just die? I at least want to survive. Nope, there's still that guy, that random guy that nobody likes. Nope, I cannot climb that. So we did not escape, sadly. Is in there a collectible note? Nope, that's not a collectible note. Where's any of the collectible notes for book 1? I think notes are gonna have to be for the next episode. Wait, did I just find one? No. I hope you have a great day, and like and subscribe if you want to, but you're amazing. I hope you have a good day. Bye. It's going to end with disconnecting, of course.